Hey everyone, hope you're all doing okay. This is Rogue Hat and this is the PlayStation 5. Now I just got it a couple of days ago and I pre-ordered it in September. My shipment got delayed. I got a call that said I only had a couple of hours to pick it up, otherwise my shipment would get delayed again and God knows when that's gonna be. So I thought I would just do an unboxing and a review with you guys. I know there is a lot of information out there already, but I hope to add some insight to that already existing information. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so let's see. First up, we have the box itself. It says PS5 4K 8K HDR. Then we've got the side of the box, pretty simple, just the PlayStation 5 and the controller. Then at the back we have Play Like Never Before. And then the side is very simple, just a PS5 logo. So let's see if we can open her up. I couldn't get the whole box inside the shot because of my setup. So I apologize. First up we have the accessory slot. So within this rectangular box, there are all the accessories that you need. So we've got our manual guide, and then we've got the safety guide for those who you read. I never read these.
Not funny, didn't laugh.
And then we've got a power cable, then the controller itself. Then we've got the USB-C cable and then a HDMI cable. So that's pretty much for all the accessories. And we've got the console itself, so hopefully I can unwrap this. It's a pretty simple contraption, not really too complicated. Then we've got the console itself. So hopefully I can unwrap all this plastic off it. So as you can see, it's a pretty simple and sleek profile. The plastic plates on the sides are matte, but it has a glossy finish at the front. Then we've got the PlayStation logo, and the other side is nothing. It's very simple and sleek looking console. At the back we've got a lot of air vents. We've got the power port, HDMI, Ethernet, and then 2 USB ports. So very impressive I/O considering that it's a PlayStation console. Then we've got the USB port and the USB-C port. There's also a disc slot. This is the disc version of the PS5. The PS5 is gorgeous with its white plates and unique design. However, it's built from plastic, which kind of takes away a little from the appeal. I understand that they had to cut corners to hit that low price point, but they could have given us a metal finish version for the PS5 and the controller. The UI is very simple and kind of resembles PS3's UI. It has an incredibly fast SSD and internal components. I was running it for a couple of hours straight and it still managed to keep cool. It also got really quiet while it was running. Now let's talk about what do we get with the PS5. You get Astro's Playroom, and I honestly think that this game alone is worth buying the PlayStation 5. It lets you feel everything that's happening within the game. The game takes place inside the PlayStation, and you have to unlock previous PlayStations and the accessories that came with it. It is so well detailed and polished that even after hours of playing it, it didn't feel old. The environment is so dynamic, and it never felt like I was doing a repetitive thing. It always had some surprises to show me. And the final boss battle is so much fun, and it's a throwback to the original PlayStation. Now let's talk about the controller. It is hugely impressive, and if you want to see what this controller can do, play Astro's Playroom. As I said before, it lets you feel everything. Everything that is happening on screen, which is amazing. I was carefully observing as to how did they accomplish this, and here's what I found. The controller is filled with vibration motors. It has a high definition speaker in the middle, along with very well polished vibration arrays all around the controller. It also has some resistance mechanism regarding the L and R keys. They all work in perfect synchronicity to give you the ultimate experience. Whatever is happening on the screen, you will hear the sound on your controller plus feel the vibration simultaneously. Let's say you're walking on ice and ice skating sound will play on your controller with subtle vibrations simultaneously. And that is how they're able to make the controller so good. The controller also has almost no lag at all, and I think the reason behind it is Sony doesn't let you connect Bluetooth accessories to the PS5. They have to be the official accessories, like the Pulse 3D headset. I tried connecting my Galaxy Buds and my Bose, but they didn't work. This really feels like next generation and absolutely worth your money. You can't comprehend this controller unless you've tried it. I hope everyone who wants one can get one, although the library is still a little short, and I think that the full extent of this console and the controller haven't been utilized. So as long as they can do this, this is the console to buy. The only thing I want developers to do is to take full advantage of the controller and the PS5 hardware. I was absolutely impressed by the controller and the console, and I think that there is still a lot of potential for developers to utilize. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little review. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you guys later.